Hey, it's Aaron. I'm out here on a windy day in Wyoming to talk about the 2022 Infiniti QX60. This is all new this year, so almost everything about it has changed. 3.5 liter V6 puts out 395 horsepower, a new 9-speed transmission. If some of those things sound familiar, that's because the QX60 and the Nissan Pathfinder share a lot in common. But as you can see, this is a really pretty SUV. Let's talk about it. So as I said, the QX60 was fully redesigned for 2022. This is the second generation of this vehicle. First generation had been around since 2014, and it was really time for an upgrade there. The QX60 is a 3-row SUV. It now has better technology, a beautiful design. You can see this beautiful look of this car. It's very luxurious as well. It's one of Infiniti's flagships for sure, and it really shows where the company is going in the near term and as far as luxury. There's a lot of technology in this as well. Tons of advanced driver's aids, and this new design for the interior has a better third row access, and it's just a nicer experience. It's a little roomier. It feels more luxurious than the previous generation, and because it's just not as dated. It's just a very, very good redesign. There's also that new 6-cylinder engine I talked about, and the new transmission to match with it. They are a very, very good pair. They go together really well, and the CVT has been thrown out, and it's now this geared transmission, which is a huge upgrade and something that this really did need. Now, this Infiniti QX60 is probably not on par with like a Mercedes, but it's easily on par with Acura, Lexus, and so on. And price-wise, it's more in line with those than it is with the higher cost Mercedes-Benz models. So really well done. It has a 12.3-inch central touchscreen in the front. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Only CarPlay is wireless, but Infiniti does say that the wireless Android is coming soon. It has tri-zone climate control. It has a forward, has all the like safety stuff like forward collision mitigation, rear automatic braking and things. The new Infiniti also has Infiniti's newest ProPilot Assist system, which is kind of a big step up from just adaptive cruise. It's adaptive cruise control with not only lane keeping, but lane centering. It will almost literally drive the vehicle for you. Now, you do have to keep your hands on the wheel. You do have to be paying attention, and it will shut itself down if you don't. So you can't, go like a Tesla driver and try to play video games or take a nap while your car's driving and get in a wreck. But it is a really good system. It just holds you really well, takes a lot of the weight off of driving for you, and is exceedingly safe. Also on this is a very large cargo space. It's very well done back there. And then because of the new setup with this new engine, the QX60 is actually capable of towing up to 6,000 pounds. You have to have all-wheel drive and the towing package to get that, but I mean, if you're going to buy this, why not, right? Just a really, really well done setup. There are several options for this vehicle. So the 2022 Infiniti QX60, yeah. There has 4 trim levels. The Pure is the base level. The Luxe is the next one up. The Century is probably the one most people are going to end up in. It's about the middle ground as far as the package and inclusions and the price go. And then the Autograph is the very top end, and it is a truly luxurious vehicle when you get to that point. It's front-wheel drive by default. Most people, I think, are going to be buying the all-wheel drive, and that 3.5-liter V6 is the only engine option. But again, that V6 and its 9-speed automatic are beautiful match, just a wonderful pair. So drives really, really well. So overall, the Infiniti QX60 is very comfortable. It's a very nicely luxurious without being over posh vehicle. It's just a good crossover at a good size. It should fit most families' needs, and is just nicely done. So that's it. That's the 2022 Infiniti QX60. That's what I got. It's a really pretty vehicle, drives really nicely. I don't know, what else do I say? All right, I'm gonna wrap this up somehow. It's getting awkward. Talk to you again soon.